was great to be here in Vietnam. This event was a great experience, and it was a great opportunity for us to introduce our strategy and our product range, specifically designed for the textile and apparel markets.
So we are very happy that this time we are able to share APX8 in the Vietnam seminar this time. So APX8 is actually our first joint grade that we actually developed together as ARMOR-IIMAK. We launched it last year. So besides offering a demanding wax resin solution, we are actually also doing this development that promotes and encourages eco-sustainability when you are using APX8 in the printing and labeling industry.
It was also the opportunity to exchange some ideas and some insights and some experiences in the textile market. The Vietnamese market is one of the most important ones in the world, so the textile market here is key, and ARMOR-IIMAK really thinks that we need to be present in a strong way here in Vietnam if you want to really be a strong or keep becoming a strong player in the textile market.
After these 4 days of long and hard meeting with our partners, my biggest takeaway is the true feeling coming from them looking at us as one of the key players in the excitement I can see from them, and also I can see some hope in their eyes when they look at us in a different way.
I think the key to this workshop is to be able to share the experience and to share the knowledge and impart knowledge to our customers, and also to assist them all we can with our technical expertise in terms of product knowledge.
I really hope that we can continue of such events moving forward into the new year, 2023, 2024, 2025, and so on and so forth.